Good morning. This is Jad. So today I got my package from Amazon. It's a Tyger Fender Flares for the 2016 Ford F150 here. We're gonna install that. Gonna open it up, see what we have inside here. See how they look. We'll find out. I'm ready to start. Open it up. Stay tuned. Alright, hopefully all the parts are here. Taken out of the box. We'll get it unwrapped here and place it next to the wheel well. Oops. Fell. Alright guys, so next we're about to do is just install this rivets here. They do not go anywhere, they're just there for look. So you don't have to open any holes on your truck or anything to install them. So we will install them, all of them now, just to be done with that. Alright guys, now we are getting ready to install them. Alright, front fender flares are installed. Sorry, it's really windy out here. They are installed now. The passenger and the driver's side are installed and done. So all I need now is just to do the rear, and then I already ordered spacers to get the tire 1.5 inches out, and that will help to make it look better. this is the last. Now we have to install the plastic retainer back here. That's the hole in there, and just insert this one here. There you go. So that was the last step. This is the passenger rear fender. So all screws here, and then down here is the last one. Let's scratch that up. You see this? The wind blew it to the ground and it fell, and it's got some scratches in there. So far so good. Next to the other side now. Alright, the last one, finally. Gotta install this one. Alright, we are done. So far so good. It did take me a while though. It's really hard to get in here without the proper tools and without taking the tire off. I did not take the tire off, but it was painful to do it. But we are finally done here. I got all my Fender Flares on. It's not too bad. This one in the front here, it's a little loose. I don't know why. I'm gonna work on this one later, see if I can fix it. But you guys can see it. It's just kind of like we'll work on that later. See if I can tighten it up. This one here, this one's pretty solid. It's pretty good. Back. The back was a lot easier than the front. How it looks now. Now all I gotta do is just get the tire, get the spacers, and get the tire out a little bit. I order 1.5 inch spacers, so we'll do it when I get here. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching once again.